Hello students, here's a question from jeeadvance 2013 which says consider a set of 8 vectors shown by the set V as shown in which ABC belong to the set containing 1 and minus 1. Now 3 non-coplanar vectors can be chosen from this set V in 2 to the power p ways. Then the value of p is what we need to find. So let us start by thinking of the different vectors that we can have. First of all, ABC can be given the values 1 and minus 1 only. So the different vectors possible are, as you can see here, we are putting the values of ABC as 1 or minus 1 in all possible cases. Now we have to choose the 3 vectors among these vectors so that they should be non-coplanar. We know for 3 vectors to be coplanar, their scalar triple product must be 0. So instead of finding the vectors which are non-coplanar, let's find those vectors which are coplanar, which means the determinant containing the 3 vectors coefficients must be 0. Now here we recognize 4 pairs of vectors which are negatives of each other. For example, R1 is negative of R8, R7 is negative of R2, R6 is negative of R3, and R5 is negative of R4. So why we are observing such an observation? Because if they come as 2 rows of a determinant, they will add up to give you 0, and therefore the determinant will become 0. So we've got 4 pairs of vectors. If they come into the determinant, they will make the determinant 0. So if you want to get 3 coplanar vectors, out of these 4 pairs, we must at least select 1 pair. And then we need one more row of the determinant which will be selected from the other 3 pairs. So we'll select 1 pair, 3C 1 ways, and out of that pair, we select one of them, so 2 ways. So totally you are having 24 ways of selecting 3 vectors which will be coplanar because they will make the determinant 0. What is the total number of vectors possible? It is 8C3. 3 vectors selected out of 8 in total. From this we have to subtract 24. These are those cases when we have coplanar vectors. So the difference is our answer, 56 minus 24, and that is 32, which is equal to 2 to the power 5, and hence comparing with 2 to the power p, the value of p comes out as 5. So that is the final answer for this question. Subscribe the channel for more such useful content. Thanks for watching.